Welcome to the Health for All Washtenaw website. This is Kelly with Washtenaw County Health Department, and I'm going to give you a short tour of this resource. This website is supported by the Washtenaw County Health Department and our partners. Health for All Washtenaw is a central location for information about health and factors that can impact health in our community. There's a lot of information here, so let's get started. The site has 3 key themes: data, stories, and action, and those themes appear throughout the site. You can find those stories and themes right down here. Now let's get started. So this is the home page, and we're going to go and explore the 3 themes a little bit more. So there are hundreds of data indicators that you can look at, and you can find them under this tab right here where it says data. To delve into the indicators a little bit more, you click Find All Health Data. This is the front page where you can find a list of all of the indicators, including the different categories where the indicators sit. For example, these indicators are underneath access to healthcare services. You can also use this legend over here to really quickly assess the indicators on the front page and how they compare to the past and how they compare to other communities in the area. We're going to go and explore an indicator for a second, and you can find different indicators by clicking right here. For example, I want to know about childhood obesity in Washtenaw County. So I just type in obese, search, and then it pops up. So you can see childhood obesity, and you can see it at a county level, and you can also see it broken out by different zip codes. Right now I'm just going to click in the main children who are obese, and I'm going to click in county. So there are a lot of different ways that you can see the data, including graphs, charts, and even maps, and you can break it out by different subcategories, including age, gender, insurance type, race, and ethnicity, and those change depending on which indicator you click on. You can also see the indicator broken out geographically. Now I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard. So we go up here and explore data. You can view community dashboards, which are already created. For example, social determinants of health. And you can see different indicators in a list that relate to social determinants of health. To build your own dashboard, you click Explore Data again, and then build your own dashboard. Now say you want to see everything that's related to childhood weight. You type in weight, and it will bring you to exercise, weight, and nutrition, and then you can filter by age groups and just look under children. And then you can see a list of indicators related to childhood weight. For example, food insecurity, or how many kids eat their fruits and vegetables every day. Now we're going to explore stories. Back to the front page. On the site, you can also see the stories of health in our community. For example, we have community members in MacArthur Boulevard, and we can show the different data and the different stories for people who live there. And this is really important because data is great, but it also represents the people that live in those neighborhoods. And last but not least, action. So under action, we can give people direction on how to make their communities better places to live and have better outcomes. We have promising practices, funding opportunities, and ways for community members to get involved. You can also find more actionable items underneath resources, including 211 resources. You can also click Get Involved to sign up for email updates. So we hope that community groups, schools, health associations, nonprofits, local governments, and many others can use this information to show the great benefits of living in Washtenaw County, as well as opportunities for improvement. We hope you find the site useful as we work together to improve the health for all Washtenaw community members. Make sure to sign up for emails and become part of our partner network. We hope you find it useful and easy to use. Enjoy the website.